Tick tock, let's learn about the clock. Tick tock, the analog.
Yeah.
What is that in like normal time?
15 minutes.
Like, okay, so like 4:15?
Yeah, 4:15.
Okay.
Yeah.
My grandma always says that to me. She's like 4:15, like 4:15.
What is it? Oh,
I'm
okay.
like, okay, what?
Oh, I didn't realize that. Well, okay, cool. Yeah, so every 15 minutes is a quarter.
Yeah.
1/4 of a circle.
Okay, like I get it, but then I'm like, just like give me the time.
Yeah, like, okay, for example, you know how you're supposed to hold your hands at 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock on the steering wheel? So 12 o'clock, if you move your left hand up to the 12 o'clock position, that's a quarter. So,
Like I get quarters. I don't know. It sounds so weird.
or let's say I was for, yeah, oh, whatever, okay. No, you got me thinking about that now. Okay, when you're ready, we shall start. Obey all traffic speed limits and everything. You should proceed. Yeah, you should. And signal right before you back. Left turn at the end of the building. Got to be careful of those people. Careful. Huh?
Came out of nowhere.
Now you know what to expect, eh? At the roadway, we're going to make a right turn. Speed limit here on the Saal is 50 kilometers an hour.
Tick tock, the analog clock. Tick tock,